Cattron has expanded the throttle capabilities of the CANplus CP640, CP800, and CP900 advanced engine control panels. The new CANplus Control advanced throttling and control features provide you with more options to better control mechanically or electrically governed engines. We will now demonstrate the controlled off feature. First, we will change the Keyswitch behavior. It is currently set up for immediate stop. We will change it to controlled stop. When the Keyswitch behavior is set up, the controlled off feature provides for a graceful shutdown of the engine, protecting it and the rest of the machine from an abrupt shutdown which could be damaging if the engine's RPMs are high. Go to Cattron.com to learn more.